Hey everyone, in today's video we'll explore the promising path of a financial controller for those eyeing a finance career. We'll clarify the role, responsibilities, salary expectations, necessary skills, and educational requirements for a financial controller. Drawing from an analysis of 930 job postings, we're eager to present our report's findings for an accurate overview. But before proceeding, kindly support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more insightful career content. Very well, let's get started. So, what does a financial controller do? They're responsible for providing management with financial information that supports decision-making. The main focus is management accounting, rather than the traditional financial accounting provided to external stakeholders. A financial controller calculates the true cost of producing a product, not necessarily adhering to reporting standards. They dig deep and allocate shared costs between multiple product lines, analyze all resources used by a product, and therefore give management an accurate picture of the economic cost of the company's products. This helps with pricing and strategic decision-making. Besides these cost and performance management activities, financial controllers are involved in budgeting and business efficiency initiatives. They help the organization conduct its operations efficiently through sound financial decision-making. Typically, financial controllers work with finance managers and CFOs, business partners, and sales teams, and have access to a firm's top-level decision-makers. A financial controller can be assigned to a specific division or product line in a large company, whereas in small firms, they have visibility over the entire business. Despite their diverse specializations, the most important aspect we should remember is that all financial controllers share a common goal: to help companies uncover the true cost of economic activities and operate more efficiently. This shared mission serves as a guiding light for the entire organization. This is impressive, but how does this translate in terms of salary? How much does a financial controller earn? Indeed and Glassdoor are kind enough to share their insights. Embarking on a financial controller career, you can anticipate starting with an average salary of $106,000. As your career progresses, expect to earn a higher wage. Senior financial controllers with 4 to 6 years of experience make over $125,000 annually. Pursuing a career as a financial controller is an excellent starting point, potentially leading to such roles as finance manager and even CFO. Many financial controllers wonder, is a university degree necessary for employment? Our analysis of 930 job postings reveals that 48% require a bachelor's degree, 30% a master's, and 20% do not specify a university degree as a prerequisite. So, while lacking a university degree does not preclude one from securing a financial controller position, it does reduce the available opportunities. But let's tackle the critical issue: the skills required for a financial controller role. Number 1 on the list is Excel proficiency, a requirement for solid Excel skills in 88% of job postings. Here are the most sought-after financial analysis skills for financial controllers. Unsurprisingly, cost analysis and budgeting are prominently featured in job postings. 55% of employers highlight cost analysis, and over 40% emphasize budgeting. Other commonly sought-after analytical skills include management accounting and financial reporting, each mentioned in around 30% of job ads. Additionally, over 20% of opportunities require solid P&L analysis skills, and nearly 15% of employers seek candidates with financial modeling expertise. Our 365 Financial Analyst program thoroughly teaches all these technical skills. If you're committed to securing a financial controller position, click the link in the description for an invaluable resource in your job hunt. Many candidates often wonder if a professional finance certification is necessary for employment. Our research shows that the 𝗙𝗵 professional designation is valuable, appearing in 20% of job listings, followed by ACCA at 18% and CPA at 10%. Very well. In larger companies, financial controllers are often required to work with a sophisticated enterprise resource planning system. Therefore, it comes as no surprise that numerous job listings, more than 50%, mainly from big companies, highlight the demand for robust ERP expertise, particularly in SAP 39% and Oracle 30%. I hope this brief guide on essential financial controller skills proves invaluable. Learn how to develop them by visiting our website at 365financialanalyst.com, which is linked in the video description. You'll start with Excel, then accounting, management accounting, FP&A, and financial reporting. Learn how to create financial reports with pivot tables and acquire all the technical skills needed to land a financial controller job. Okay, this will do for today. Thanks so much, everyone, and see you in our next video.